Hello, 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 and welcome and festive greetings from Captain Clumsy, your favourite fumble-fingered fool. As you can see, I'm in full-on Christmas mode. Ho, 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 and all that. Yes, you know what I mean. So, let's do this quickly so I'm not wasting all your time as you're eating your turkey and your Christmas stuffing. God damn it. No, actually, you'll probably be watching this at some point. So this is a channel update, Christmas message. I'm going to be ceasing production for a while over Christmas to allow myself to recoup. Got a lot in the can. Bear in mind, still there are ongoing health issues I need to deal with. Hopefully those will get resolved at some point. But yes, video production may be intermittent at times. But I'm planning about 2 a month extras on top of that, maybe kit reviews, bike reviews, etc. There are quite a few videos in process, so I will pop some of those out at various times during the winter, and then we'll resume in the spring when the weather improves. Now this t-shirt might give you a clue about what's coming next, or it might not. Okay, so there's going to be a new feature which I'm going to call Website Roast, which I poke a finger of fun at some of the ridiculous hyperbole and spiel that the motorcycle manufacturers would have us believe. Some of the more self-aggrandizing nonsense I shall be taking apart carefully for your benefit, because let's face it, we pay them a lot of money to buy their stuff, so they need to be taken down a peg or two sometimes. Okay, and so I'm on top of all that, I'm going to do a little bit of an unboxing today. So you may or may not have seen a little bit of stuff about this, which is my new base layer to replace the one that was stolen, believe it or not. Can't believe something was stolen at a bike related event, but still. So it's Oxford base layer, medium size, 25 quid from Damerals. This will help keep me warm in the colder months with the heated grips and so forth. So there we are, very simple, straightforward. Next, Oxford Biker Toolkit. You know I ride a Moto Guzzi, it's Italian, it's temperamental, you know, bella and all that. So my super clumsy attempts at removing the package from its case. So hopefully I'll be able to get this under the seat of the Guzzi, and then it'll be my go-to in the event of a problem. I think I will be able to, but if not, I'll want to carry it with me. So it's in its convenient carry case. So there we go. Everything hasn't come out, so we've got a little set of Allen keys, you know, for tightening up those things which vibrate loose. We've got some sockets, regular sort of sizes. I won't get them all out right now. We've got a mini pair of narrow-nosed pliers, a couple of screwdrivers, both fairly small, so nothing too elaborate about that. And the smallest Allen key has vibrated loose. Pair of snips, extension to the sockets, and a socket handle, plus some driver bits. So that little lot should get me out of trouble on most occasions. So there we are, a little bit of a early Christmas present to self. So that's about it. So it's all it is time now to wish you all very Merry Christmas, Happy New Year, and let's keep biking.